science class. Meow.
Hello everyone! Welcome to science class. Today you will learn about reason why animals may go extinct, or why some animals that we can found or we see in the books or in the TV, why we cannot see in real today anymore, why they are gone. Okay, we will talk about it, but before I will discuss to you this topic, let's learn first the vocabularies of this topic. Okay, so please get your notebook and write these vocabularies in your notebook. After you write, you have to open your Google Translator and you translate this word to Thai language and write the Thai translations of each word so that you can understand the meaning of each word. I will read number 1, habitat. Habitat. 2, species. Species. 3, earthquakes. Earthquakes. 4, long time to mature. Long time to mature. 5, wildfire. Wildfire. 6, fish disease. Fish disease. 7, volcano eruption. Volcano eruption. 8, human activities. Human activities. 9, hunt. Hunt. 10, natural disaster. Natural disaster. I will change this one. 11 is forest. Forest. 12, flood. Flood. Okay, so your first activity, you are going to read the vocabularies, and after you read, you record yourselves while you are reading the vocabularies and send your video to my line. Okay, I'll give you my line. Maybe you might forget my line. This is my line ID. So just send your vocabularies here. Okay, send it to my line ID. All right, so now let's go to the next slide. Okay, this is panda. Okay, can you see, did you see a real panda? Is this still existed today? Yes, this panda, you can see panda. Panda is still existing today. Still existing today. You can see this in the other parts of other countries. You can see panda, or other zoos in big zoos. You can see big zoo. You can see a real panda. What about Birch deer? Have you seen a Birch deer? No. Why? Because this kind of deer is not existing. It's gone. Okay, it's not existing anymore. It's have gone extinct. Okay, why? Because because of human activities. Some human hunt this deer for food. So that's why we cannot see this kind of deers, Birch deer, in our time today. What about chimpanzee? Is this animal still existing today? Yes, chimpanzee is still existing. You can see chimpanzee in Ubon Zoo. There are lots of chimpanzee in there. In other zoos in Thailand. Dinosaur. What about dinosaur? Have you seen a real dinosaur? Or you just seen a dinosaur in the movie or in the YouTube? Dinosaur is not existing. It's have gone extinct. You cannot see one dinosaur in the world. Just even one dinosaur you can found a dinosaur. They are already gone. Okay, maybe it's because of natural disaster. Some historians, because the dinosaurs are gone because of natural disaster like volcano eruption. Okay, that's why they have gone extinct. What about chicken? Do chickens are still existing today? Yes, they are still existing. You can see chicken in different places in Otompon. Okay, so, and also you can buy eggs at the market, or you can buy also eggs at the market, and also chicken at the market. So they are still existing. We can still see them in real. What about lion? Are lions still existing today? Are lions are still existing today? Can we see a real lion? Or have you seen a real lion? Yes, I've seen a lion in Ubon Zoo, Ubon Ratchathani Zoo. I've seen lions there. Okay, these are reasons why some animals have gone extinct. Okay, why animals that have gone extinct? Okay, just change this to a question mark. Okay, these are one of the reasons why animals have gone extinct. As you can see, these trees in the picture, they are the habitat of different species or different animals. But because of human activities, some people cut the trees to build a house. So these trees here are being cut by humans. What happened to the animals? Animals also are gone. Okay, they transfer to another places, or they die because they don't have a habitat to stay with. Okay, a habitat for species lives. Forests are being cut. This one. Okay, so it's not really good that we will cut the trees, all the trees, because some animals that lives in that trees, they don't have place to live anymore. So if they don't have place to live anymore, and some animals get food in that place so that they can live, and if they don't have food and they don't have home, what happens to them? They will die. So that's about reason. Other reasons why animals have gone extinct is because of natural disaster. Okay, this is a flood. Okay, a flood. Why there is a flood? Because some people cut the trees, and instead this water will be absorbed by the trees, and when there is no more trees, so there will be a flood. Okay, in the city or in wherever, if there is no if there are no trees in that place. So natural disaster. Next one, we have also an earthquake. As you can see in the slide, there is an earthquake. See, the buildings are broken, are destroyed because of the intensity of the earthquakes. So what happened to the animals too? They will also die. Okay, animals will die because of this natural disaster, earthquake. Another one, also another natural disaster, is volcano eruption. As you can see, when this volcano erupted, other animals will die too because of the lava. Okay, the lava and the smoke, okay, of the volcano. It's dangerous for the living things. What all this one? Wildfire. When the temperature is very high, what happened? It could have a wildfire. Okay, it can create a wildfire. That what happened to the animals? Some animals also will be die because of the fire. So that's the reason why some animals may have gone extinct. Okay, another one, we have also a fish disease. Okay, fish disease. Some animals in the water die, like fish, because of fish disease or the virus in the water. And also another reason why animals have gone extinct, because some animals have long time to mature. So like for example, the elephant. The elephant will give birth every 2 years or 24 months. Okay, they give birth every 2 years, and this elephant, they just live for like 56 to 60, more than 60 years old, and in their whole lives they just have a baby elephant. So 4 to 5 baby elephants. They just produce 4 to 5 elephants, nothing more, nothing less. So that's why some animals, they have gone extinct because of the long time mature. Okay, it takes time to mature. Okay, another one here we have. Have you seen an elephant? Yes, I've seen many elephants in Thailand. I saw a lot of elephants in Surin. So I think Thailand have many elephants. So next one is, we have also some animals have gone extinct because of human activities. Like for example, this crocodile. What happened to the skin of the crocodile? They used it to make a bag, so expensive bag. Like, okay, they made some companies. They made the skin of the crocodile a bag. Okay, and expensive bags. Yes, and also some animals have gone extinct because of the human activities. Some people, they hunt the animals, hunting animals or hunt animals. Okay, they hunt animals. So, and what shall we do so that animals have habitat, have home to stay, so that animals have food to eat? We should plant more trees. Okay, we should plant more trees in our place so that the birds and other species can live in that place and live longer, and our next generation can still see the animals that we have seen now. So we have to plant more trees so that other animals can live in that place. Alright, so in your book, you see your book page. Okay. No. You can see this topic in your book page 50 and 51. Okay. So reasons why a species may go extinct: we have habitat loss. Okay, they have no home to live because some people cut the trees. Habitat loss. What else? Human activities. Some human, they hunt the animals. That's why some species have gone extinct. Another one, we have natural disasters like volcano eruption. Okay, volcano eruption or flood. That's why they have gone extinct. Another reason, diseases like fish disease or virus. That's why animals have gone extinct. Another reason is long time to mature, like elephants. It takes 2 years to have a baby elephant. So every 2 years they have baby elephants. So that's why it's very long time to mature for these animals. And animals like elephants, they are decreasing. The number of the animals now, elephant animals, are decreasing every year because they are the baby or the mother, they have long time to mature. The baby takes time to mature for this animal. Okay, so now you have to go to your book page 48 and 47. Okay, and answer your book also 48 to 47 if you haven't answered that one. 48 to 47, you have to check. Okay, you have to check the page 48. You have to check what are the animals that still existing. You have to check that still exist. For example, chimpanzee, you check because chimpanzee is still existing. What about dinosaur? Dinosaur, it's not existing or have gone extinct, so you have to mark it wrong. And in your page like this, okay? For example, chimpanzee. Chimpanzee still existing, right? So you have to check. But gone extinct, okay? Have gone extinct. You have to mark it wrong. Okay, mark it. For example, dinosaur. So you cannot see dinosaur now. In our time today, we cannot see a dinosaur. So you have to mark X. That is your page. You can see that in your page 48. Okay. Okay, now let's go to your number 1. Okay. You have to base your answer in number 1. You have to base your answer in here, in these pictures. Okay, which animals in the picture have still existed? Still existed, it means you can see in our time. They are still alive in our time today. They're still existed. It means if you go to the zoo, you can still see these animals. You have 4 animals that still existing until today. Okay, you have to write there. What are the animals? For example, chimpanzee. You have to write here chimpanzee. Okay. For example, number 1, chimpanzee. You have to write there chimpanzee. All right. The example. And you have 4 animals. Number 2 is which animals in the pictures have already gone extinct. Okay, already gone extinct. So you have to write 4 animals. Okay, 4 animals have gone extinct. So it means you cannot see them anymore, or they are not still existing today. Okay, they are not existing today. So you have to write 4 animals that I have discussed. Next one, number 3, is you have to check which of the sentence is correct about the reason why some species have not gone extinct. Why some species or some animals have not gone extinct, or why some animals, why they are still existing today. Why animals that we have seen now, they are still existing today? Because those animals are big and strong? I don't know. Maybe wrong. Because those animals can adapt to a changing environment. Maybe yes, maybe yes. Those animals transfer traits to their babies. Maybe no. So I think this one is the right answer. Those animals can adapt. So if they can adapt to the environment, they will live. Okay? The animals can live if they can adapt to the environment. I think this one is the right answer. You have to check. Okay? So now, let's go to number 4. A while ago, I wrote some reasons why species may go extinct. If you review the previous slide of this topic, you can see the reasons why a species may go extinct. I wrote there 5. Okay, I wrote 5 reasons why animals may go extinct. All right, so that's number 4. This is page 49, and in your page 45 to 46, if you haven't answered that one, that is part of the cycle of the animals. Okay, part of the cycle of the animals. You have to answer page 45 to 46 of your book. All right, so cycle of the animals, just write the numbers, and after that you have to take a picture of your book and send it to my line. Okay, send your answers here. You have to scan this and you send your answers in my line. Thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.